name's Craig Williams. I'm the UPS Training Manager for AMETEK Solidstate Controls, and this is our fantastic state-of-the-art training facility in Houston, Texas. We've just come off the back of a hugely successful class in Houston. 13 people attended, and we got absolutely fantastic feedback, especially from the hands-on portion where you get to come back into the lab here. We put faults on the UPSs, and you use the theory that we taught you during the class to try and figure out what's wrong with the UPS systems. We had a great time, and the guys really seemed to enjoy it. Our next class is in Carlsbad, California, and it's on the week of April 9th. This will be for our clients that have microferroresonant UPS systems in their plant. The first 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, will be our world famous stationary battery training. We have a new instructor for this, so it's going to be exciting times. Rick Tressler is going to be doing the battery training, and he's planned lots more hands-on training for the battery portion of our class. That's then followed on Wednesday and Thursday and Friday by our superb UPS training class, where you get to learn the best theory out there about our UPS systems and then go into our lab situations and put that theory into practice. You can go to our website www.solidstatecontrols.com, go to the Client Services tab, which then takes you to our training area. In the training area, you will find registration forms that you can fill out. We only have a few seats left, so the quicker you get those registration forms filled out, the more likely you are to get those last few seats remaining. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.